Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cassandra and I'm here with another amazing recipe. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this lovely liver sauce. Liver is not just for fried rice, so this sauce can be used to eat anything. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Liver is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on earth, and the benefits of eating liver are directly related to this incredible nutrient abundance. Liver is also so concentrated with vitamin A and a top source of vitamin B12. So liver is amazing. You need to include it in your diet if you have not, and this recipe will give you that reason. Now in the pan, you're going to add some olive oil. I used about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add about half teaspoon of salt, and then we'll go in with some sliced onions, fresh tomatoes, and minced garlic. Stir that and allow this to saute for about 1 to 2 minutes before we would add our spices. This recipe is so simple, and trust me, when I had this with rice, pasta, I really loved it. Add some parsley flakes, add some chili flakes, add the seasonings that you want, but these are the seasonings that I used. Add some nutmeg powder, some seasoning powder. All the measurements will be in the description box. About half teaspoon is fine. Add some garlic powder and then you're going to stir. Now allow this to stir for a while, and I'm going to add some tomato paste, about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, just to give it some thickness and volume. Now you're going to stir that and allow this to not really fry, like cook for some time, because we didn't add much oil to it. Already you must have grilled your liver, so I'm going to add some meat stock, which I got from the liver itself. Add that meat stock and stir. Now you can see that this is looking more like a stew or a sauce that you want to eat with rice or something. Now here's the trick. You're going to pour in your grilled liver. I actually grilled this and I sliced it into bit sizes to make it more easy. So you're going to stir that and combine till everything is well incorporated into the liver. Of course, we cannot do without our vegetables. We must add our vegetables. We just have to add some sliced bell peppers. I used yellow, red, and green bell pepper. Add about 2 chopped carrots. And here you have it, guys. This amazing sauce is everything. You can serve this with any meal of your choice. Now, liver also provides yet to be identified anti-fatigue factor that makes it a favorite thing among endurance athletes. So you don't have to be an athlete for you to be able to eat liver. Liver is endowed with so many nutrients. The sauce is ready and I enjoyed it, and I want you guys to try it out. If you are just seeing this channel for the first time, please hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos. I always upload videos at least twice every week, and I want you to join the family. Do not forget to like and share this video with your friends and loved ones. Tell me in the comments if you're going to try this recipe. I had this with rice. I also had it with pasta, and it was everything. It was just good. It was lovely. Tell me in the comments if you're going to try this out, and I'll see you in my next video.